Have you ever had a massage session ruined by something that the massage therapist said to you? Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. I recently had a massage by a male massage therapist. As soon as he started spreading the lotion on my back, he said, "Oh, you have a very soft skin." I said, "Thank you," but it just didn't sit right with me. It actually lingered on for the rest of the massage session. I don't know why it didn't sit right with me. I thought about it over and over again. Was it because it was the male therapist? Was it because it was the first time with him? Or was it the way he said it? I still don't know why. While I don't have a clear answer, it reminded me of the worst massage session I've ever had. I mean the worst legitimate massage session, because I've walked into a questionable massage place by accident before. About 30 years ago, I was in Hawaii, so I wanted to try Lomi Lomi, which is a sacred Hawaiian massage. In the 90s, there was no internet, so I booked the one I found at a rather expensive hotel called Ritz-Carlton. A Caucasian massage therapist was assigned to me, and as soon as he saw my body, he said, "Oh, you have a long torso." It just so happened that back then, I used to hate my body shape, and he nailed it. Needless to say, I was very upset and sad the entire Lomi Lomi session. There was nothing sacred about it. By the way, now I love my body, which functions very well, with flaws and all, even if I overwork it many times. I've given thousands of massages, and I've seen all shades and all shapes of body and all kinds of tattoos, but I wouldn't say anything about them. As human beings, we are all meaning-making machines. Even if I think what I'm saying is a compliment, there's no guarantee that it will be received as a compliment. And I don't want to cause any unnecessary emotional stress when someone is on my massage table, like I experienced in Hawaii. So I'm curious if you've ever had a massage session which was ruined by something that your massage therapist said to you. If you do, I would love to hear your story, so please share in the comments below or message me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when my videos are uploaded.